Last month, which would be the month of July, I earned a little bit over 5 grand through my YouTube channel, and that's 3 specific ways in which I was able to earn money through my YouTube channel. So I want to break down what each of those 3 ways are in this video, talk a little bit more about passive income and how, because my channel is fairly small, a little over 20,000 subscribers. That's a fairly small YouTube channel. And then if you especially look at my view counts, like especially when I publish videos, they're nothing crazy by any means. So I just kind of want to break down what's going on and how it's possible that I'm able to pull in off my channel over 5 grand passively in a month, and how that's also continuing just to grow each month. So the first thing when it comes to making money through a YouTube channel, this is my go-to phrase: YouTube takes years. Yes, we've seen an occasional someone who made it happen in under a year or something like that, but it's definitely months and it's definitely multiple years to really get a successful YouTube channel going, and especially to make good money through a YouTube channel, and especially to do that fairly passively. So YouTube takes years. I promised myself before I ever even uploaded my first video onto this channel, I was going to upload videos to this channel for 3 years, and if at 3 years something good still hasn't come of it, then I would quit. But I was committed to a full 3 years to try and figure out if I could make YouTube work. And let's see where I'm actually at. If we look at my channel analytics right now, so I've got it set to lifetime. I created it in May, but I hadn't uploaded a video yet. The first video that I uploaded, if we look right here, was December 14th, 2017. It's currently August 2020. So that's just a little over 2.5 years that I've been uploading to the channel. And one thing that I do want to stress right here when it comes to creating passive income streams, this applies to YouTube. I've also created Amazon businesses that are pretty passive. I've done Kickstarter products that are pretty passive. I've created several passive income streams, what I would deem as passive income streams, but passive never means that there's not work involved. To me, what I've learned so far, business-wise, making money online, making passive money online, is that it's all very front-loaded. Meaning you put in a good amount of work, like hard work, good work, long work up front, but then you set it up in a way so that then that work that you put in continues to work for you without you having to put anything really more into it for months and years as time goes by. So the 5 grand that I made last month is actually based off of videos and work that I put in 6 months, a year ago, even multiple years ago. Even some of the very earliest videos on this channel are some of the videos that are still some of the highest contributing videos to this 5 grand that I made in the past month. Russ, I don't know if you listen to rap, if you listen to Russ at all, one thing he said about his songs:
I have these salespeople, which are my songs. Like, my songs are just salesmen. You know what I'm saying? Like,
that's a crazy way to look at it. Yeah.
Yeah, like they go out in the world and they sell me to people, and some songs sell me better than others. So, there's like high earning salesmen, and then there's not so high earning ones.
That's how I saw YouTube before I started uploading. I saw, wow, I could make a video. That video will continue to get views for months and months and years based off of just the 4 or 5 hours, whatever it was, up front to actually create that video and upload it. So here's a look at last month, July 1st through July 31st, 2020. And you'll see right here that my estimated ad revenue was 2175.18. So just a little over 2 grand there. And as far as I can tell, being able to earn that amount of money through YouTube ad revenue, especially when you look at the amount of views that I pull and subscribers that I have, is a pretty good amount of money to be earning through YouTube ad revenue. So if you want to check out my YouTube growth and monetization playlist, I break down several tutorials on first how to get monetized, how to get accepted into the YouTube ad revenue program. And then once you are in there, I break down what are the different things that contribute to how much you make through YouTube ad revenue, and how you can kind of go about doing several different things to increase how much you earn from your YouTube ad revenue. Now if we look, we'll move into the second one here, which is affiliate marketing. So if we look at my videos here and we click into this one right here, a Helium 10 tutorial. Helium 10 is a software tool, or actually it's a software suite with a bunch of different tools for selling on Amazon. So I use Helium 10 and a bunch of its different tools to do research and to keep track of my business selling on Amazon. So I drop tutorials on how to sell on Amazon, how to do product research, and because the tool that I use, which is the best one out right now, is Helium 10, I make Helium 10 tutorials and break down how to use that tool. And it's a smart thing to do then, since I'm technically, like, even if I don't actually go do this. No matter what, I'm making a video about the tool, saying it's a good one to use, showing how to use it. I'm promoting that tool. I'm advertising that tool, whether I intended to or not with the video. And so with that, what you can do is go sign up for that company's affiliate program. They give you a unique link that people can click when they watch my video. And so when they click that link and buy, then I get a percentage of the money that they just gave to that company. So basically, like, I'm getting kind of a kickback for the promotion that I'm doing, even though it's literally just me. Like, I would make the video even if there was no affiliate program, would have made the exact same video. But since there is an affiliate program, I sign up, and then I come down here in my video description and I drop these Helium 10 tool links. 50% off. They're unique links to me, so if someone clicks them, they come to this page here, get 50% off when you use code SCOSHOW50. So here's actually a look inside my affiliate report from Helium 10 for the month of July. You'll see right here, July 1st to July 30th, and you'll see the total is $2,160 right there. So there's a couple grand from the affiliate program, there's a couple grand right from YouTube ad revenue, and now where's this other grand gonna come from? So you may have noticed that some of my videos are me on a call with other people or other companies, helping them with Facebook ads or Amazon ads, whatever it may be. And those are consultation calls, and that's the third way that I'm able to get a little bit of money through my YouTube channel, is through people seeing some of my videos and then reaching out, asking if I can help them with XYZ. And to be completely honest here, if I wanted to, it could be quite a bit more than 5 grand, but I personally, this is how I choose to operate my YouTube channel. I'm not putting out videos or creating content as an effort to create the biggest consulting income stream that I can. I'm also not, creating content to create the most affiliate income streams that I can. Like, I literally just have one affiliate stream, which is the Helium 10 program, which is everything that I use for all my Amazon stuff. And then the consulting, like in my videos, I never push or promote. Like, I may have mentioned it a couple times like I am right now, but I'm never like encouraging people to reach out and set up times, and like, it's just a byproduct of me having put videos out there. Sometimes people reach out, sometimes I accept some of those calls, works out great, but my point with that is just like, I could really go much harder at affiliate marketing. I could really push consulting a lot more. I could sell a $500 digital course through my channel, and the 5K could be a lot bigger than 5K. But just wanted to share that to show you how I operate my channel and how there's opportunity to actually make a lot more if you were to strategize over and execute on more affiliate marketing or pushing more consultation or selling a course, that type of thing. But hopefully this video has been interesting for you. I think YouTube's great. It is time consuming. You got to front load it, put in the work, but I'm glad I started years ago, and I'm glad I made the commitment to do it for several years because it's been beneficial for sure. And hopefully as these years, with months and years to come, hopefully things can compound and just keep getting better.